All right. Let's see if this thing is open. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, you did not expect that fast intro, huh? Anyway, my name is Dominic. Today what we're gonna do is we're on a slightly longer plane ride, and I figured, okay, I could just read your comments. I wanted to do a Q&A session initially. Actually, there's a lot of mean comments. So today we're gonna read mean comments, but more on that when we're up in the air, because I have to, you know, I have to do some flying first. Close the door. Oh, hello back, my friends. My name is Dominic. What we do right now, what we do today is, I figured I get lots of comments. So while we're on the long plane ride, probably very bumpy plane ride, we're going to read all of your mean comments because lots of people like me a lot, and they write me comments. So well, we're gonna have to see. But first, like I just said, we're gonna have to take this thing up in the air. What was that? Of course, safety first. We always have to put on the seat belt. Don't be afraid. Up until now, I've only crashed twice. Probe covers off, chocks off, AC locks, parking brake is set. Passenger and safety briefing, okay? You're all set. Don't watch out with your legs. Never touch anything. Try this. Yeah, because if the seat's pulling back, you can't hold this. You know, because then we're gonna crash and we're gonna probably die. Other than that, if in any event we're gonna have to make an outside landing on a field or anything, an emergency landing, we're gonna open the doors before we land or crash, you know, so it's easier for us to get out. Okay, so just open that, just like this, you know. Okay, let's continue with our pre-flight inspection. Here we have everything that we need. All electrics off. We have fuel flow.
Okay, brakes check. Brakes is checked. It's ready for departure. To the bridge, keeping 160 degrees forward. Runway 17 here critical. 117 close to takeoff on the bridge. We have the takeoff clearance already. For time, it's all clear. We have the taxi light. We're going to switch to the landing light. We have the strobe. We're going to put on the nav light because it's so bright. Approach sector is clear. Flaps is 10 degrees. I'm gonna put this down here, and we're ready to roll. Okay, we're set. Take off. Yeah, we have a light moderate turbulence right now, but not too much. I'm heading for runway heading on control with you. And as you can see, I mean, it's a little bit windy, but as you can see, the plane kind of flies itself. You know, my friend's also in there. The plane flies itself, pretty much. Alright, so first of all, I'd like to thank each and every one of you viewers all the time for listening to my things that I say. Some people might say it's nonsense, but we're gonna get to that. First of all, Isa Carl number 2 says, I can't stand this guy. Is he high or about to sleep? He talks a lot about nothing. Okay. So first of all, Isa Carl, I appreciate your name because this is coming from Austria, and yeah, we do have some turbulence here. So, Carl, thanks for the comments. I can't read the second one right now because we're having a little bit of turbulence. Second one, Mr. Puskas 23 says, you look like a psycho, bro. The way you talk is Harry Potter kind of shit. You know what, Mr. I forgot your name. We actually started watching Harry Potter a few days ago, and I'm like, oh, look at this turbulence here. Oh, by the way, to all the people that say, are you high? Are you high? I actually am high right now. But in the airplane, you know? I'm just drunk. I'm not high today, I'm just drunk. A little bit of vodka. Oh! Another guy, wait. Always when I want to read, there's when the turbulence starts hitting in. Another guy says, damn, 2 minutes of promoting someone. Probably swallow their cum. I'm just going to leave that unconfident, okay? For now. Another guy, fat life. Fat life. Oh, fat life. Can you fucking stop talking so much? Thanks for the comment. Appreciate that. I think I'm just going to shut up right now and not talk anything anymore. Because YouTube is not about talking, right? Oh, kind of a bumpy hit right now. Yeah, it's really bumpy. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't continue reading right now because of the moderate turbulence that we are having right now, right here. Okay, maybe we have time for another one. Rock Noodle Man says, blah, 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 huh? Cocaine is a hell of a drug. Yeah, Rock Noodle Man, I tell you that. Cocaine is actually really a hell of a drug. Because, I don't know, I just heard about it. I don't know who said that, who told me that. Some guy told me that. It's not the personal experience. Yeah, I really wonder what's happening when I turn on the switch. Oh, that was the wrong switch. That was the wrong switch. Okay, one last comment for today. Dude, stop making videos. Thanks, man. I will certainly consider that now that you told me about it. Anyway, the bumpy light. We're almost here. Let's prepare for bumpy landing, right, Julia?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, short night for entering the landing. Interesting. Should have some wind, but right now it's not that bad. This can, however, change any second. This is the 1% of the pollution. Okay, we're back. Anyway, my friends, we're back on the ground. Now we're heading off to some secret stuff, right? You can't see her because this thing is closed. Yeah, whatever. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Comment down below the meanest shit that you think about and watching my videos when looking at me. And I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye-bye.
Alright, another bye, because this actually looks really cool looking at it. Bye, I see you in a couple of days.